This past week, my family headed to Vietnam, and today I'm sharing some of the sights, tastes, and sounds we enjoyed during our trip. This trip was mainly for visa reasons. We needed to transfer some stamps and get out of the country for that, and now we are excited that we have a long-term visa here in Malaysia. The first thing we did when we got in was to go grocery shopping. There wasn't a large grocery store nearby our hotel, so we found this little, I want to call it a boutique, but a little grocery store right around the corner where I was able to grab a few items just so that we didn't have to go out for breakfast in the morning. We grabbed some oats, some non-dairy milk for tea and to cook with our oats, and then of course we grabbed some stuff we didn't need because I was shopping with my daughter, and yeah, you need snacks while on vacation. I also saw some soy-free tempeh that I was so tempted to buy. So just got back from a little grocery store that was right around the corner from our hotel. Definitely not the cheapest, but I actually got a ton for $20 because I just took my time trying to find good prices. Definitely saved a ton of money by last minute finding cashew butter, which was exponentially cheaper than peanut butter. So let me show you what I got. So I just got some necessities mainly for snacks and breakfast. So oatmeal, this was the cheaper bag. I think this was $4 and it was buy one, get one free. So either I'll leave this for somebody else or we'll take it to Malaysia if I have room. Got my favorite milk for tea and matcha lattes, which I brought matcha powder with me, so that's great. Got some unsweetened oat milk for granola, which I actually brought some, so we'll just see how far that gets us. Saw these, which were for $1, so I thought it'd be fun to try some sweet potato chips. My daughter wanted some of these cookies and they looked amazing, so I said yes. We found cashew butter. I was gonna get that cashew coconut butter, but then last minute found this just plain cashew butter, which is only, where does it say it? Cashews and salt, which is so exciting because this is my favorite nut butter and it isn't peanut butter, which I try to avoid in general just for my skin. And then we love frozen blueberries, but they were so expensive, so just got some bananas for now. And this is what I got for about $20. Okay, take a little bit. That's good. This is a winner. Yummy cashew butter. You like it? Okay, why don't we have this one be last one? Ooh, is it dripping? Scrape the bottom like this. There you go. Oh, cashew butter dance. Good morning. I am in our hotel kitchen. That is one of the many perks of living in Southeast Asia. It's just like you can get so much more for so much less money. My kids are being crazy. We are all waking up at the same time, bright and early here in Vietnam. The sun comes up at like 5:30. So anyways, we are doing breakfast at home or at our hotel, and I've been doing oatmeal. Yesterday I used some cinnamon apples that we brought on the plane to flavor and sweeten our oatmeal, and today we are using banana and some chocolate. I mean, why not? Chunky monkey. So let me show you what I made. I didn't film it because I don't really have my tripod, but I just had oats that I cooked in water, and then I added in some mashed banana for sweetness. And then we're topping it for those who like banana. My daughter doesn't like banana, so that's why I mashed it in so she doesn't know. But we are adding more banana, chocolate chips, and cashew butter. So kind of like a chunky monkey kind of thing, just cashew butter instead of walnuts. And this actually looks so good. I miss chocolate. So we are gonna eat this. I think it's only like 6:30 here in Vietnam, and usually our kids are still asleep. So early morning. I definitely have to get creative when we're living in a hotel, but it is fun to try new breakfasts. So my husband does a lot of the activity planning whenever we're on vacation, and he discovered a beautiful park nearby a river, kind of in downtown Ho Chi Minh, and we went there for the morning to enjoy the clouds, fresh air. A lot of beautiful flowers were out and around. The park was huge, so we could have spent hours there. But of course, we quickly discovered the playground, and the kids wanted to play on there for quite a long time. But before we got to the playground, we also loved watching the river and some big ships come down the river, which was really fun for the kids. So this playground was huge. It had 2 different areas with tons of things for the kids to explore, slide on, swing on, spin on. So this was a great way to spend our morning. We also got to see what I would call an uncle fly a kite super high, which was really fun to see him get it started and up in the sky. After quite a while of playing on the playground and getting thoroughly sweaty, we decided to explore more of the park, the beautiful trees and flowers, and of course, we got to meet some new local friends who wanted to take a picture with my daughter. It was actually one of the funnier experiences we've had. We do have Minnie with her blonde curly hair, but both of my kids were almost kissed on the lips, which was, I'm kind of used to it at this point, but that was a close call. So we got vegan banh mi's and smoothie bowls. Spring.
Here's the smoothie bowl.
Smoothie bowl. Oh, that looks amazing. You're gonna want a bite of that, Harper girl. So Hudson has gotten sick on this trip. All he wants is smoothies, so we got a smoothie bowl. Let's try it. The mango one is amazing. Can we try the chocolate one, Harper? Okay, try a bite. Yummy! Wow, that looks amazing. This is a spring roll noodle bowl, pickled daikon and carrot, fresh veggies, tofu noodles, and fried spring rolls. Comes with a vegan fish sauce. These are fun, bouncy noodles.
I'll try a little bit probably with this.
Yeah, I'll try some in the fish sauce.
Fun bouncy noodles like boing, boing, boing.
That's so good. To come over to the window, but I got a smoked carrot lox banh mi with cashew cheese, tomatoes, pesto. So unique, looks amazing. We also got an artichoke, cashew cheese, pesto, lettuce, tomato, bagel. Yeah, it looks amazing. It's a dreary, rainy day, and we have eaten all of our fresh snacks that we want to eat, and so we are literally going to have some chips and cookies for a snack. This is traveling when I'm not super prepared and we can't get out of the hotel, but yeah, we bought it, so let's eat it. I definitely wasn't as prepared on this trip and didn't really think to buy much fruit. There were so many local fruit stands nearby that I could have picked up some fresh produce at, but definitely wasn't thinking. So we ate a lot of cookies for snacks and pretzels, and I had a few matcha lattes along the way. I love city life. I wouldn't want to live there forever, but visiting Ho Chi Minh was so fun. I loved walking along the busy streets and just seeing how people somehow didn't crash despite the lack of traffic rules and stoplights. It was just amazing to see people weave in and out of each other so efficiently. For one of our dinners, we went to a place called The Filthy Vegan, and despite the cat, I'm not great with cats, people. They scare me. I had some traumatic experiences as a kid, but despite the cat that was in the restaurant, this food was absolutely amazing, and the owner was also so fun to talk with. But we just got a veggie burger. It's called the Fake and Bacon, and my daughter loved it, and she normally doesn't like veggie burgers, as well as these amazing nachos. And then, of course, for dessert, we over-ordered, but ended up eating it. 2 different tarts. One was chocolate and one was Oreo cheesecake. The next day we went to a place called the Tinker Box. It was right around the corner from our hotel, and it was such an amazing creative outlet for our kids. It was about a 4, 5, maybe even 6-story play area that had all kinds of climbing equipment, bookshelves, blocks, building supplies, puzzles, colorful things you could create. They even had workshops that you could sign up for to make string art or paint things. And we just spent about 3 hours in this place letting the kids run around, explore, build things, discover new books to them. Yeah, this was definitely such a neat experience and so amazing that it was right around the corner. We got banh mi's off the street for quite a number of our meals, and they were incredibly cheap, about $1 for a massive sandwich, and this was a vegetarian one that I found, and I have no idea what was in it, but it was amazing. Our last night, we decided to go to our favorite restaurant, which I already showed that we ordered from, but we tried all new dishes, and we went to the restaurant just to see what the vibe was like, and it was such a neat atmosphere. They had tons and tons of options for our family, and we spent over $1 million dong there, which sounds excessive and crazy, and it was about $40 for our family to order 3 different drinks, 4 entrees, an appetizer, and a dessert. So we definitely bought more than we needed to, but we ended up eating almost all of it. And I really enjoyed my husband's drink. It tasted like an apple cider. We got a salty lemonade. I got an unsweet turmeric latte, which once I added a little sweetener to it, it was amazing. The kids had so much fun getting to try all the new foods and drinks. And we just hung out as a family as we waited for our food, walked around the restaurant just to see what they were doing, and chatted with the owner a bit. For the kids, we got a teriyaki tofu bowl with a lot of their favorite foods, rice, seaweed, all the good things. My husband got a veggie soup that was so nourishing, and he's definitely trying to eat a lot more after his surgery now that he can. I got a roasted veggie banh mi and a salad. This was delicious. Their cashew cheese is out of this world. It's so good. My husband got some kind of mushroom burger for his main dish, along with fries and a vegan mayo. We also got some fried spring rolls for the kids. We eat a lot more fried food when we are on vacation, and it's okay. We come back to our wholesome food at home and enjoy both of them. For dessert, we got a mango cheesecake that was the most realistic vegan cheesecake I've ever had. So we thoroughly enjoyed that, shared it as a family of 4, and that was the end of our trip. But I want to remind you before you go that I have a new 8-week meal plan that is available now on my website. I've basically taken all of the guesswork, planning, creating of shopping lists off of your plate and done it all for you. And so you can grab that from the link down in the description box. It is available now on my website. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.